Webworms typically have 2 hatches each year. Normally, if you spray for the first hatch in late June, they will disappear. However, you may need to repeat the process later in the summer. It's best to apply the insecticide when no rain is forecast. If the grass is dry and needs watering, only water enough to settle the insecticide around the base of the crown of the grass. Allow the insecticide at least 48 hours to work. Remove children and pets from areas sprayed with insecticide. Read and follow insecticide directions carefully.